Hey, what's going on, guys? Max here. I know a lot of you have been asking how to fix a laser burnt disc. Well, I learned from my friend Joe Graves at his channel, Joe Graves. He actually fixed a disc recently. It really helped me with some of my other discs, but today I'm gonna show you how. Joe, say hi.
Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Joe. I'm gonna be recording today.
First, you're gonna need a big piece of wood. You want it nice and old. It works the best. You're gonna want a yellow golf ball, preferably titanium. It works really good, guys. You're gonna want some Pringles, half-eaten, original. The chemicals are the best, guys. A green Diet Mountain Dew, guys. This is just the greatest thing. It can fix any disc at any short notice, guys. Last, never mind, second to last, guys. You're gonna need a purple grayish big brick, guys. Pentagon works best. You want it nice and old. Some easy cheese, guys. Preferably cheddar and made with real cheese, guys. The chemical just work really good, guys. We're just gonna open this up for now, just so we can get ready. There goes the lid, guys. Leave a like for that. And last, you're gonna need your disc. I like Spider-Man Web of Shadows, guys. I really need to fix it, guys. The back, it's a little scratch, guys. I'm just gonna get a little warm up in. This really helps your disc if you do this before, guys. Okay, now first step, guys. You see the disc? It's not scratched too bad, guys. Now let's spray some easy cheese over it, guys. Oh, dang it, guys. It's kind of spilled over my hand, but
set the disc down.
That's okay, guys. There's the disc with the easy cheese, guys. I'm gonna actually be wiping my hand off right now, guys. Oh. Okay, guys. Here's the easy cheese. I need more than that because that's just not enough, guys. I want to just, put a lot on there. It works best. Now for the Pringles, guys. This is what really fixes the disc, guys. Just gonna want to crumble them up over the easy cheese, guys. You don't want to make too much of a mess, guys.
Tie it together too.
You want it all on the disc. You don't want to spill any of it, guys. You just want all the things, all the crackers. You just want to pour them over the disc, guys. Next, guys, we're just gonna move this. You put some more easy cheese on the top, guys. You want to make a mountain on the top because it just works best. You're gonna want to smash it with the brick, guys. You're just gonna want to put it up here, nice and gently. Just, guys. It's actually stuck, which works best, guys. As you can see, guys, it's a pretty good disc. The brick is pretty cheesy. I mean, it's just, if you want to, you can just lick it. Tastes pretty good, guys. You're just going to want to set that down. We'll save that for later. A good dinner, guys. Now, for the golf ball, guys. You want to put it in the middle for approximately 2 seconds, guys. And this is going to create radioactive waves, guys. You're going to want to throw it and bounce it. It's going to create radioactive waves, guys. That's going to come back to the disc, guys. And you want to go on this tree and in the sewer drain, guys. And it's going in the sewer drain, which is really good, guys. That's what we want. Next, guys.
Just an ounce of that.
You put just a little bit of just an ounce of pop on the disc, guys. Not too much, not too little, guys. Now it's nice and fizzy, guys. This is probably the best method.
I'm gonna hear it sizzle.
Now you're gonna want to put some more easy cheese on there, guys. It just works best. And then you're gonna want to put the lid on top for a nice secure so it doesn't come off, guys. Next, the wood, guys. This is very helpful, guys. You want to do it nice and easy, guys. About, 3 times, guys. 3, maybe 4, guys. You're gonna want to put that hunk of wood on top of the brick, guys, for a radioactive wave. As you can see, my pants are got some stuff on them, guys. That's okay. We can just wipe that off, guys. It's fine. I can get new shorts. Well, guys, this is actually how you fix a laser over disc, guys. I'm gonna do one more thing, guys. You want to put this back on there, guys. I'm gonna want to put that on there for a few weeks, guys. Then you want to put the EDTs back on the top, guys. And after this, I'm gonna go inside and show you that the disc works fine. What's going on, guys? I know you just saw my laser disc video. Now I'm gonna show you that it actually works, guys. Okay, I'm signing in right now. We're just gonna wait and we're gonna click on the disc and show that it works, guys. I'm gonna close the tray. It's gonna work. As you can see, guys, the disc is working completely fine, guys. I'm just gonna prove to you here that it's gonna work. I'm just gonna go to the main menu and show you that it works completely fine, guys. We're at the main menu, guys. As you can see, my Black Ops 2 works completely fine, guys. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and peace out.